Hi friends, today we have come to a Lodha Supremus in Kolshet, Thane. Here we are executing 3000 square feet of commercial office space, and this is our normal site visit where we generally check all the details and design flaws and actual site execution and the technical part. So come, let's go and see, have a site visit. Hi friends, I am Ashok Kalneti, Director of Praticus Transforming Spaces. Today we have come to an ongoing site wherein we have come here to discuss few detailed parts. Today we will be discussing few design parts also, so that on site whatever we are currently doing developments, that we are planning to go through each and every portion of the details, and further talking about the detailed part, we'll be analyzing few things so that our design and ongoing construction process is in sync, so that in future there won't be any issue, or the finishing should be very prompt, and it should be in details. Today we'll be discussing about the boardroom design. Here in boardroom we'll be using some pad panels for taking into consideration of acoustical properties, the TV panel with a laminate finish and the lacquered glass, so that it can be used as a writing board. So come, I'll take you to the boardroom where we'll be discussing about the design and the details of it for the construction of the final product. This is our boardroom, and here there will be a glass facade. We'll be making it in aluminum framework, and this portion there will be a door, and again on that side there will be a door. This portion again there will be a door. Then coming to in this center portion there will be a boardroom table which will act as this boardroom table will be around 10 seater. Then on this wall this will be a TV panel, wherein here we'll be putting a interactive display for video conferencing and boardroom, for boardroom meetings. And on this either side there will be a lacquered glass paneling, so that the aesthetic and the look and feel should be maintained. And coming to this wall, we'll be using a PET panel. This PET panel acts as a acoustical property. It absorbs sound while having a conferencing, so that there is no echo in the conference and everyone hears a clear sound. Then coming to this wall, this entire wall, the center portion will be using a lacquered glass. The the center portion will be lacquered glass, and on both sides it will be painted. So this center portion lacquered glass will be used as a writing board also, and to make a note or writing board or boardroom discussion can be happen there. So these two walls, this side wall will have an interactive display video conferencing, and this will be used as a writing panel. So friends, this is MD cabin. The director will be sitting here. So like this, here where I am standing there will be a director desk. So there will be a director desk, and side credenza will be coming here. And we have given a TV provision for a director, so that while discussion he can have presentation also playing on a screen. And here there will be a laminate cladding, and above and below it will be painted surface. So this portion will have, here there will be lacquered glass, and here there will be lacquered glass, and this will have a TV, and below and above there it will be painted. And here what we have done, we have taken a projection of 75 mm so that TV and this panel is flushed all together, so that you don't see a TV coming out, popping out. And above this there will be a painted surface. Then coming to a backdrop, this entire wall we will be putting wallpaper, and there will be few shelves which will act as a aesthetical property. And second thing is like those shelves will be used for keeping books or the trophies or certificates. Those can be kept here. And this shelf will have an indirect light, so that entire wallpaper is washed through those indirect light.